Hello friends, this is the third week of a 12-week certificate course on palliative care by integrative approach of Ayush and Allopathy. It is being launched on the SWAM portal, and in this third week, the topic is the fundamentals of complementary medicine and integrative approach in palliative care. We are going to talk about the fundamentals of Ayurveda. Introduction. We focus on the Ayurveda, a time-tested system that emphasizes balance, prevention, and holistic well-being. This week explores the synergy between traditional wisdom and modern science. The agenda of this week is basics of Ayurveda, lifestyle and diet in health and maintenance, the role of diet in spices in supportive medicine, and integrative strategies and therapies, non-communicable diseases and gut health delivered in this week. Why this matters? Why this integration knowledge is important for you? Because Ayurveda contributes to physical comfort, it contributes to the mental clarity, it contributes to the spiritual support. Any integrative approach offers compassionate whole person care. This is the important part. The palliative care, the goal is not to treat the disease, but to treat the person in totality. Person and his environment, both are treated together. And in Ayurveda, this has been covered very well documented by Charak. So we are going to understand it so that we can apply it. Second talk is the expert behind this lecture, Vaidya Sushil Kumar Dubey and myself, Professor Yamini Bhushan Tripathi. We are going to talk about these topics. Our combined experience help bridge Ayurveda and biomedicine for modern clinical use. So moving forward, as we explore these key areas, remember, palliative care is about preserving dignity, comfort, and validity, even in chronic illness. Be clear, what is your goal? Your goal is not to treat the disease, but your goal is to give the comfort to the patient, manage the symptoms. Let us embrace healing with compassion, clarity, and connection. Team involved. Thank you very much.